The roadways, they are definitely going to be crowded, speaking of Memorial Day weekend.
That's right. And here's something to think about from our state's Department of Transportation. 113 people were killed in alcohol-impaired crashes here in our state in 2023. Here's a video from this year's Not One More, which is a movie to prevent impaired driving here in Connecticut. Take a look.
I hope we never meet.
I hope I never have to crack open your chest.
Treat your burns.
Or tell your mom you didn't make it.
If you have one more drink,
One more hit.
One more gummy.
please,
For us, please.
Stay off the road.
because we can't take seeing
One more.
Gone.
You have chills
Yeah, very
watching just part of
powerful.
that.
Yep.
Hartford HealthCare surgeon Dr. Alejandro Betancourt is one of the faces that you just saw there in that video. He is chief of the trauma center at St. Vincent's Medical Center. Doctor, thank you for your time this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, we heard a little bit about what trauma cases can be like just from that video. But as a trauma surgeon, let's talk about some of the emergency cases that you are dealing with daily.
May you please repeat the question? I didn't get it.
Absolutely. So in that video, we talked a little bit about trauma cases. And as a trauma surgeon yourself, we would love to hear from you. Really, what are some of the emergency cases that you are dealing with every day?
We see everything pretty much from motor vehicle collisions, accidents, bicycles, motorcycles, falls from height, falls, even people get injured from the same level. And then there's acts of violence, gunshot wounds, stabs.
Okay. Doctor, what are some of the preventative measures that are pretty high on the list that people are not doing? What are people doing incorrectly?
So first of all, think of your safety. Make sure in the cars, buckle up. That saves lives. Again, we just watched the video of One Not One More. Impaired driving, it's a key element in preventing all of these accidents. And not just be careful, make sure you arrange for a ride, make sure you don't get in the car. And also activities outdoor activities along with other substances can lead you to falls, risky behaviors, and unusual tricks will also get you unusual prices.
All right, and let's talk now about the importance of timely medical care. What do you want people to know when it comes to getting the appropriate care in a timely manner?
When we're looking at life-threatening injuries are pretty straightforward. That's the patient, excessive blood, extremity deformities. But however, I want to make a better point. In the elderly population, banal falls might also lead to excessive pain or any pain after an injury that doesn't improve after 2 or 3 days. You should be evaluated by a healthcare professional.
Doctor, final question as we head into the Memorial Day weekend, obviously what we call the unofficial start of the summer season. What should people keep in mind, particularly at this time of the year?
First of all, as I want to key a key component, impaired driving is a no. Please stay off the road. And then for the security also of the pedestrians, if you're having activities outdoors, please no diving head first in shallow waters, climbing up trees without harness, people that work even household repairs. If you're going to be above 2 feet or 2 meters high, you should have a harness. Buckle up and then make sure, check on your elderly family members, because we get those as well.
All good advice. Dr. Betancourt, thank you for the work that you do. And thank you for joining us and spreading such an important message with us here on Good Morning Connecticut at 9.
Thank you for having me. Be safe.
Thank you, Doctor.